can organize your Blender workspace however you want. You can resize the areas like this, and the trick is to place your mouse exactly where you want. Here you see I click and it selected the top area, then I go a little bit down with my mouse and it selects the area at the bottom, the timeline. So if we select this one, the top one, you can just go up and create a new area. You can resize them as you like and go on the left to create new areas here. Okay, if you want to cancel what you're doing, you just right click and it's okay. You can change also the areas. Well, all of this depends on what you want to do, what you need. Here, for example, all these 3D views can be used to see your object from different point of views. We can have an area with the render. Now you can join the areas. They could be a little bit tricky, but you just need not to go far away, because if you go too far away from the edge, it creates another area. You want to join the areas. Okay, now I try to go back to the very first view. Okay, like this. You can move the areas like this. And you can move it back to where it was, like this. I've not selected the right one, so I just put it back where it needs to be, and I put my 3D viewport where it was at the beginning. Now you can also replace an area like this. The properties area has been replaced. Can make it back by dividing the area and select the properties area. Okay, what's going on with this? Okay, now you have only one column. If you want to put the right column back, you just need to subdivide one of your area, extend it. You can extend it. This could be useful if you want to have a large timeline. Okay. Let's put the properties back. You just need to play with it in order to understand how it works. Just practice by creating new areas, by joining areas, by moving areas, etc. It can be easy to mess it up. So if you hesitate, if you're not sure of your move, just right click and it will cancel your move. I think it's okay for today. Just practice, and you'll be able to create your own workspace that will fit your need.